In this video, I'm going to show you how we are actually selling these AI powered booking bots. Now, I actually do not like to call them AI bots, especially with businesses. We are referring to them as AI assistants. And so we're actually leveraging the fact that, hey, this is an assistant that we're putting into your business. We don't want to use bot or any language like that. We're actually putting an assistant into your business. So the very first way that we're selling AI powered assistants is through the first one is missed call text back. Okay, so like I talked about in a previous video, let's say I wanted to get a haircut and I go through local hair salons near me and I call one and they don't answer. What am I going to do? I'm going to scroll to the next one. I'm going to call the next one. And then I'm going to call the next one. And then I'm going to call the next one. Same thing. If I'm looking for a plumber or if I'm looking to get my car worked on, if someone doesn't answer the phone and I have something that needs to get done right away, I'm going to call the next business. So what missed call text back does is, let's say I call a business and I miss a call and then it hangs up. Immediately I get a text message that says, hey, sorry, we're on the phone with another customer. Is there something I could help you with? And then I can actually text, hey, listen, I'm looking to get a haircut. Oh, awesome. We do have some appointments available this evening, tomorrow, or Thursday. Which time works best for you? Thursday would work best for me. Cool, we have this time on Thursday. Would any of those? Oh, yeah, 10 a.m. on Thursday. Awesome. And what was your name? My name's Austin. And this is all happening through text. Awesome, awesome. Listen, sorry we weren't able to answer the phone, but I have you on the calendar for Thursday at 10 a.m. Look forward to seeing you there. Have a great day. Now, because that text message happened, that hair salon did not lose my business because they were able to send me a text message and actually book an appointment via text message. And now I'm not looking for a new hair salon to schedule my haircut with. And so that is one offer we can go to businesses, especially appointment-based businesses, and ask them, hey, are you able to answer all the phone calls that you've been missing? Are you able to actually respond to all the phone calls? And then we're able to sell them on, hey, listen, I can have this set up to where it's actually booking appointments for you when you miss calls, when you're on the job. Some handyman or construction workers, they're on the job, they're doing work. They can't always answer their phone. So it would be super helpful to have something that actually books appointments for them when they're on the job and when they're working. So that is the product. That is offer number one, is missed call text back. That is an amazing way to actually leverage an AI powered assistant and actually help a business book appointments while they're busy. The next way would be an AI powered chat widget on the website. So here's the cool thing is, let's say someone shows up to your website and they have a question. A lot of people's little chat widget bubble on the bottom right hand corner, it says, hey, what's your name, your email, and your phone number? And then you can engage with the little widget. A lot of people, they don't want to do that. They have a question and they just need a question answered. So we can actually train the AI powered assistant that's on that little chat widget. We can train it with frequently asked questions. We can train it with the business's services. We can train it with everything that AI powered assistant needs to know, so that when someone engages with that AI powered chat widget, they can get their questions answered. They can get what they're looking for. And then once they get questions answered, it will actually ask them, hey, what is your name? Who am I speaking with? And I'm like, type Austin. And it's, hey, listen, I'm glad we were able to help you out. I think one of the best things that we could do is get you on the phone with one of our experts. Would you be open to a short phone call to talk with one of our experts? And I'm like, sure. Excellent. We have some time, this date and this date. What time would work best for you? And I'm like, I would work best if I'm on 4 p.m. Thursday. Excellent. 4 p.m. Thursday. I'll have one of our experts give you a call. What's your phone number? And this AI powered widget on the website is able to answer questions. It's able to handle objections. It's able to collect information. And then it's even able to give information if someone's, hey, I'm really just looking for this. And we can basically train that AI powered assistant on the website to be able to handle anything that's happening. So that is the second way that an AI powered assistant or booking bot could benefit a business. And you can, all you have to do is scroll through businesses and find their website and see that they don't have an AI powered widget. Reach out to them and say, hey, how would you like to book appointments or have your questions answered while you're sleeping? So that is another way that we are using AI powered assistants to sell to businesses that don't have AI on their website and are losing customers because their their widget on their website doesn't actually do anything or collect information or answer questions. So that's the second way that you can actually sell AI booking assistants to businesses. Now, the third way that you can use an AI powered assistant is what's called database reactivation. So, back in when I was actually working in the solar industry, I was doing door to door and I was knocking, and I had a lot of people that would give me their phone numbers, but they wouldn't actually book an appointment, or they wouldn't close this, or they wouldn't like, we didn't actually have the opportunity to make the sale because we were moving all over the place so fast. And so one day I decided I was going to send out a text message blast, and I sent out over 500 text messages, and I had set up like an autoresponder. I didn't have AI at the time. I had to build it out based on the responses. And I had 10 people book an appointment in a week from that text message blast, ended up closing 3 deals, and it was awesome. Right now, business owners are potentially sitting on a mountain of gold because they have thousands of leads or prospects in their database, and they have no idea how to actually follow up with them or reach out to them or get them to actually rebook appointments. They just don't know what to do with them. So, an AI powered assistant, we can actually have it send out a message to everyone, and it says, "Hey, John, hey, Sarah, hey, Charlie, hey, Sam, hey, customer first name." And we can have this AI assistant reach out to these people and say, "Hey, listen, we haven't heard from you in a while," or, "Hey, we have a Black Friday special. Would you still be open to this services?" And then people start responding, and the AI assistant is able to, with logic, talk to these people, pre-qualify these people, maybe find out they moved out of the state, but then also find the ones that are interested. And if someone's, "Oh yeah, I'd be totally interested. Hey, excellent. What time's a good time for you?" And we can integrate that AI assistant into the calendar so that it's actually able to book appointments based on that business's availability. And it's able to start filtering out through all the thousands and thousands of leads that they have or prospects that they have. And this AI assistant is able to find the ones that are ready to buy now, get them on the calendar, get them on a phone call, and actually turn older cold data into new appointments and revenue. So that is the third way that an AI booking assistant could be used to help solve a business's problem. Now, the fourth way, this is one of my favorites too, is actually reputation management. Now, think about this. Whenever you watch an Amazon video or you buy anything on Amazon, what do? You look at the reviews. You find out, do other people like this? Is this what other people are looking for? And you go through the reviews. People are like that with businesses. When I go to like local hair salon or local blah, 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 and I look and it shows all the local businesses doing that thing, like I like getting my shoulders massaged. And so if I go to a local massage therapist and I see that there's a whole list of them and they 2 star, 1 star, 1 star, 2 star, 100 reviews, I'm like, okay, cool. I'm going to go to the one that's got 100 positive reviews because obviously they know that what they're doing. What people don't know is that also the more the reviews you have, the higher you get ranked on Google in your local area. So another way to sell AI booking bots to businesses is through reputation management, is through taking a list of their previous customers and running them through a reputation management campaign and having AI have conversations back and forth with all their previous customers and say, "Hey, did you have a good experience? Oh, you had a good experience? That's awesome. Tell me a little bit about it. Hey, now that you said you had a good experience, would you be open to writing a 5 star review?" And they're like, "Oh, absolutely. We'd be open to writing a 5 star review." Excellent, cool. And then it sends them the link to where they could write a 5 star review. So that is another way that you can use an AI powered assistant to work with business owners, and another way that you could actually sell this product to them to where they're paying an upfront build out cost of $1,000, $2,000, and then $300 to $400 a month on the back end to keep that system going, because people want their reviews to keep going. People want their customers to be reactivated. So those are 4 ways that we are currently selling. There's quite a few other ways. I'm sure while you've heard me talking, there's other ways that you could use an AI powered assistant. I know you could set up a frequently asked questions assistant. You could set up a sales training assistant that's trained on all your sales training, so that after you give your sales training, anybody that has any questions, they can ask the bot and they don't have to ask the sales manager. That was one thing that I set up before. There's so many ways that you can actually use an AI powered assistant to benefit a business. But these are simple ways where you can charge a business with, when it comes to missed call text back, when it comes to database reactivation, when it comes to an AI powered chat widget, when it comes to a reputation management campaign. I can charge a business anywhere between $500 to $5,000, depending on what the lifetime value of like their customer is. If they're making $10,000-15,000 on a deal on what that they close, I'm probably going to charge a little bit more of a setup fee, but I can charge a setup fee and then I could charge a monthly recurring fee just to keep the AI bot running. So those are my top 4 ways that I'm personally selling AI powered assistants. There's many other ways to do it, but that's how we're actually doing that right now. And then it actually helps targeting. You could target people that are running ads. That is a big thing. And then say, hey, listen, my AI powered assistant will follow up with your leads in a heartbeat. And that way they don't have to rely on a person that might be on a roof doing a roofing job. And all of a sudden they get a roofing lead and their text message goes off and they're like, I can't call this lead right now. But when someone needs a new roof, they want to talk to someone instantly. So you could have an AI powered assistant responding to ads and saying, hey, this is this is so and how can we help you, and then pre-qualify the lead and then get them on an appointment to actually talk to someone during an availability, and then that way they feel like, hey, I'm actually been engaged with, I have an appointment set. And that right there is a few different ways on how we're actually selling AI powered booking bots. I look forward to talking with you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll talk soon.